Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back here to another exposure video. Guys, we are back on 2048 cards. If you guys don't know about this app, it's an app that apparently allows you to win real life money by matching cards. Get ready for it. I do hope you all do enjoy. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, of course, guys. Really do appreciate it. Now, this app, dude, I cannot stress this enough. Look at the minimum cash out. You ready? $200, everyone, for minimum cash out. Now, I think we all know how this is going to go. The rewards are going to start out very, very big at the start, but the closer we get towards that $200 cash out, that's where you're going to have big problems, okay? This is where the prizes are going to be reduced heavily. So, here we go. Merge to 128 each time. Receive $2 and yeah, who cares about the tokens? Look at this, everyone. Look at the tokens, dude. I can't handle it. So almost million tokens is going to be $50 PayPal. 500,000 tokens around that is $25 PayPal, and 207,000 tokens is going to be $10. Oh wow. Okay, so not only have they turned the currency system into a PayPal system as well, but mind you, I only get $2 for merging the cards together. $2, everyone, and I need to somehow get 1,000,000 coins, right, for $50. I'm only getting 2 per card match there. Do you not see the problem with that, guys? Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So we need to try and unlock this chest for $8.50. Okay, app. Okay. To say I'm angry is an understatement. Look, $10 collect. Okay, I'll collect the $10. Thanks. Yeah, to say I'm angry is an understatement, because I know for a fact we're getting played as we speak. Like, we're already getting played, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So don't worry about that. The game is already tricking us. If you don't know what I mean, think of it this way. Do you really think we're going to get this money? Do you really reckon you're going to get that PayPal money, everyone, for matching cards together? Come on, good dude. You know and I know this is a big scam. Alright, $8.27, collect, beautiful. I have not seen an ad yet. I have not seen one ad yet, which I'm very shocked, because I would have thought they would have spammed us with ads by now. So I am proud of you, 2048 cards, but you are still the biggest scam app going around, dude. Legitimately. And do you know what's hilarious to me as well? There are absolutely no reviews for this app, but there are over 500,000 downloads for this app, everyone. Collect 22 PayPal dollars. In the span of 2 minutes and 50 seconds, we've collected, and there's the ad. Knew that was coming. In the span of 2 minutes and 50 seconds, now almost 3 minutes, we've collected nearly $50. Could you imagine earning $50 in 3 minutes by matching cards together? Could you imagine? Just imagine how many people would be on this app. And I guess that's why so many people have been tricked. Legitimately. It's an absolute scam, and it makes me so angry. I wish that Google did something. I do. I really, really do. And I say in every episode, dude, $40 I've made in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. If that doesn't show you that this app is a complete joke, then I don't know what will, my friends. I really don't. Like, what do you do in this circumstance? You know what I mean? Look, I've got 5 coins there. Wow. Now I have to watch an ad every time I collect cash. Dude, I'm serious. This is terrible. That was real. That was real, everyone. I hate these ads so much. I mean, I just can't get over it. What is this app? I'm going to look at it quickly. What's it called? Magic Dice. Merge time. Another merge scam. What is with these developers and the merge scams, dude? Every single app, I swear, that is a merge app is the biggest scam. I'm so over it. I'm so freaking over it, bro. Seriously. And they had the most dumbest ads. Anyway, I've collected that money there. We're on $48 right now, okay? $48, everyone. Literally done nothing. 4 minutes and 30 seconds into the video. Now we have to watch another ad for $6. Here we go. I'm just doing this for the sake of proof, everyone, that the apps, okay, the apps will literally start reducing our money that we earn massively. So we're now down to $6 reward for watching this ad, okay? It's going to keep getting lower. There is no way that ad... Dude, if it stays on $6, I'd be amazed, because it has to go lower. That's how these apps work. That's how the scripting works in there. There's specific code that is made to make sure you lose, okay? So, let's keep going here. Once this ad, hurry up and gets off my screen. What's this? Blockscapes. How many downloads? 100,000. 2248 link. Connect puzzle. Again, another joke app. I can't get over it, man. Get off my screen. Okay, let's keep merging. We'll keep merging here, everyone. I'm sure I don't need to explain it to you all. You guys are very smart. You know this is a joke app. You know it is, okay? $9 reward. Watch the ad. Hey, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. They gave us $9. I am shocked, bro. I was not expecting that. Legitimately, I was not expecting that. Relax fishing. Find your journey. Okay, go look at that one day. Relax fishing, everyone. Oh, boy. Yeah, nah, trust me. If there's something I can guarantee on, I can bet my channel. But the rewards will go down the deeper we get into this app, okay? All we're doing right now at this point is watching advertisements. You have to remember that. We're on $64 now. Usually the wall starts to happen soon. I'm not even joking right now. It will happen eventually, everyone. You just have to get ready for it, okay? So 64, 32, 32, 64. What have we got here? 32, 32. Done. $6.85. Let's keep watching the ads. Alright, $6.85. Just collect that. I'm going to start skipping the ads now because I want to get to the point where I start showing you how much of a scam these apps really are, okay? So don't worry about it, everyone. Oh, $21 now. Another ad. $21. Okay. I got an extra $21 here, guys. We're almost up to $92. Oh, we're getting so close. Halfway almost. $7. Let's watch that ad. Oh, collect $6.11. Here we go. So just got $6.11 there, everyone. We're just making our money go up here. I'm just getting to the point where it's going to reduce dramatically. So don't worry. We'll get there eventually. Still just spamming the ad. Look, $4.61. Here we go. It's going to start dropping now. We're over $100. Let's see how long this is going to take to drop. Alright, I got $4.61 now, everyone. Here we go. We're about to get $10 as well here. Get ready. We're making it to that point, dude. I'm going to have so much cash, everyone. I can't wait. Oh, $3.76. Here we go. Prices are dropping. Isn't that interesting? Alright, $3.76. Does that mean I get my $10? No, I don't. It says $12 there. Oh, there we go. Collect $12. Okay, I want $12. Let's watch another ad. Constant ad spam, dude. That's all this app turns into. It's a complete joke. $12 in the PayPal, guys. We're getting closer and closer to cash out. Oh, yeah. Let's see how the game's going to screw me over in a second. Just get ready for it. Get ready. $3.45 now. Okay, let's take that. $3.45. Alright, so we're getting lower and lower now. This is where it begins, everyone. This is where the truth reveals itself, okay? This is how you know the app's a scam, and it needs to be dealt with. It needs to be dealt with, alright? Get ready. $2.81. Dude, you can see how the price has dropped every time. Apps like this prey on you guys, okay? They want you to non-stop watch advertisements. It's a complete joke. And Google needs to do so. They won't, though. Google won't do anything, by the way. Just an FYI, Google will do nothing. It's a joke. What the hell? Google started talking to me on my phone. What? What the hell's going on? I said something about Google, and then all of a sudden Google's talking to me. Man, my phone's broken. Anyway, so that just shows you Google's always listening. Google, if you're going to listen to me, fix your freaking apps. Stop talking to me. What is going on? Okay, there was news. Right. Thank you. Stay safe out there. See you next time. Stay away from this app. Check out my channel for more videos. See ya.